Hey guys, thanks for stopping in. Today we're going to make Thanksgiving stuffing. I'm going to try to get this up on YouTube as fast as I can. I'm cooking a little sausage. I put sausage in mine. I'm also going to make sweet potato yams. And let's get right to it. Okay, so we need garlic. I cut it up small and then I grind it. We need shallots. We need apples. I go with raisins. Dried cranberries, dried raisins, a little sage, a little thyme, chicken stock. Boom. Emerald's essence, homemade. I make it. Salt, paprika, a pinch, pepper, and hot pepper. All right, guys, we're gonna put this all together. Try to make it quick, short, and sweet. Shallots in. Put these down a little bit. Put a little salt in there. And that's it for now. Guys, a pinch of red pepper, just a pinch, couple, and essence. Get the flavor going. Boom. Sometimes I make two. I make one sweet sausage and a garlic in there. Guys, shallots, garlic, cooking nice. We're gonna get our raisins in there. We get our cranberries in there and put everything together. Okay, you want to put a cup. Okay, cranberries. Get it dry right here. And then boom. Let's get our apples in there. Boom. Boom. Piece of sage. Rosemary, couple, and that's it, guys. You cook the sausage separately so it doesn't get that oily. A little salt. Essence, lots of essence, boom, look at that, beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna get a little butter in there. Let's render this down. I'm gonna put the sausage in there. And then we'll mix the stuffing. Easy recipe, guys. Easy recipe. Just the prep work usually. Okay. Okay, guys, almost done. Guys, make sure you get cooking apples. I didn't get cooking apples. Okay, those are done. This is done. I'm gonna put the sausage in here. Boom, done. And there you go. There's your stuffing, guys. Look how beautiful. And this is, I'm going to put in the stuffing. Chicken stock, butter. That's how you do it right there. And we're going to bake it. Guys, grand finale. This is it. We made our stuffing base. Right, now we're going to put it all together. So I got one chicken stock open. Okay, I'm going to put my stuffing in there. I'm going to put 2 bags. I'm using this pot because I don't have a big enough bowl. Okay, bags. Boom. Done. Taking all this in. Put that baby right in there. Look at this. We're going to put butter, chicken stock. You don't want it too wet, you don't want it too dry. Mix this up. Need the whole thing, right? Nice and moist. And then we're going to bake this. Put this down, right? Okay. Let's put some more. You don't want it too soft, you don't want it too dry. Just until you stop here. You guys want to bake it? Put the butter on the bottom, sides. Okay. Let's get this guy in there. Perfect. Okay, that's good. This will be for tonight. I'll have this. Let's get some of that good stuff in there. Okay, good. Beautiful. Oop. There you have it, guys. And cut.